Welcome back, fellow seekers of self-improvement. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the fascinating realm of the human mind. Have you ever wondered, how can I control my mind? Well, you're in the right place because we have some fantastic insights and techniques to share with you. So let's get started. Before we jump into the techniques, it's important to understand the power and potential of the mind. Our minds are incredibly powerful tools that can shape our reality, influence our emotions, and even affect our overall well-being. By learning to control our minds, we can unlock immense personal growth and achieve extraordinary things. Step 1 in controlling your mind is developing self-awareness. Take a moment to observe your thoughts, emotions, and patterns of behavior. This awareness will help you identify any negative or limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Once you become aware of these thoughts, you can consciously choose to replace them with positive and empowering ones. Step 2 is mastering your thoughts. Your mind is like a garden, and your thoughts are the seeds you plant. By cultivating positive thoughts and focusing on what you want to achieve, you can steer your mind in the right direction. Practice daily affirmations, visualize your goals, and surround yourself with uplifting influences to keep your thoughts aligned with your desired outcomes. Next up, step 3 is taming your emotions. Emotions can sometimes overpower our rational thinking and cloud our judgment. It's essential to acknowledge and accept your emotions without judgment, but also learn to respond to them in a constructive manner. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and mindfulness can help you regulate your emotions and maintain a calm and focused state of mind. Step 4 involves feeding your mind with knowledge and inspiration. Reading books, listening to podcasts, or watching educational videos can expand your understanding and broaden your perspective. Surround yourself with people who inspire you and challenge you to grow. The more you expose your mind to diverse ideas, the more you can control and shape your thoughts. Lastly, step 5 is taking action. Your mind is a powerful force, but it needs to be fueled by action. Set clear goals, break them down into manageable steps, and create a plan of action. Then, take consistent, purposeful steps towards your goals. Celebrate small victories along the way, as they will reinforce your belief in your ability to control your mind and achieve your dreams. Remember, my friends, you have the power to control your mind and shape your destiny. By developing self-awareness, mastering your thoughts, taming your emotions, expanding your knowledge, and taking action, you can unlock the incredible potential within you. So go out there, seize control of your mind, and embark on an extraordinary journey of personal growth and transformation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Underrated Investor. And if you have any questions or want to share your experiences, leave a comment below. Until next time, stay focused, stay positive, and keep exploring the power of your mind. See you soon.